So tell us, who are you and what do you do?
Also ich heiße Jui und ich komme aus Indien, so genauer gesagt aus Pune. Und ja, ich bin 28 Jahre alt und derzeit bin ich in Stuttgart. Aber ja, ich arbeite bei einer Automobilfirma, heißt BMW AG. Das ist in München und ja, da arbeite ich als PMO, das ist im PMO, das ist Projektmanagement Office. Ja? So, ich kann auch sagen, dass ich habe mein Masterstudium hier in Deutschland abgeschlossen und mein Bachelorstudium in Indien. So, ich habe im Jahr 2020 hier in Deutschland angekommen und ja, für mein Masterstudium. Und ich habe mein Masterstudium in ASTP, heißt Automotive Service Technology und Processes
How
abgeschlossen.
was your German before you have joined this course? Where was your confidence at that time? And how is this now after you have completed our Lightspeed German Learning 12-week course?
Ah, okay. So I would like to say, like, before joining this course, I did my A2, but that was in India. And when I came here in Germany, it was complete different experience because on A2, I was not able to speak and not understand what people are saying. Yeah. But yeah, in my university, I was having Deutsch course, but that was not much helpful for me to gain the confidence and speak in German. Yeah, unfortunately, didn't had the opportunity to speak in German in my internship also and in my job. So as I'm working with the international team, but it was really necessary for me to improve it for my upcoming opportunities. And yeah, that's why I joined this course. And yeah, I can say that I was lagging in confidence for sure. And I was not knowing much words. And I think that was the problem with me, that even though I was able to construct the sentence, but lagging in understanding the words and speaking that confidently.
How is now for you when you speak with people? Do you see a big difference?
Yes, definitely. I will say that I just mentioned it that in my office too, that I have joined this course and I am doing good in German because like last few years, I will say from 3 years, I'm trying to improve my German when I came to Germany, and nothing was helping me. So I will say that nowadays I am at least attending all the meetings in German and trying to speak with them like bit more confidently. And that's what I wanted actually.
Mhm.
And I will say that yeah, now it's a bit easy for me to understand them. Also the dialect and accent and yeah. mm, yeah, I will say like the most perfect thing is I gain my confidence to speak in meetings too.
So how is for them now when you see speaking now in only 3 months? Did you got some comment from
Uh,
them or what was their reaction?
yeah, to be realistic, I just completed my course and I just been in 2 meetings after that. And yeah, they just observed that um, I started using some phrases from the German, uh, what can we can say, uh, mm, yeah, the German, like the German peoples are.
Mhm.
So I will say that, yeah, they recognized at least that I am learning something and I am using it in my work. So my manager already praised me because of this, and yeah, I'm feeling happy. At least they can see the improvement somewhere. And that's the proof I have.